Greetings to all of you guys. Welcome to my welding world. Today our content is about 1F welding position and preparing the test plate. I didn't show you the plate preparation because it's simple and easy to do. You just need to create a T-joint shape and make sure the metal surface is clean for a good weld. I decided to upload this kind of content to share it with colleagues and friends who want to learn and are interested in welding. Just continue watching until the end of this video so you can see and learn the correct process of welding in the 1F flat position. If you enjoyed the video and are interested in such discussion, can you please like, share, and comment? You can also subscribe to our modest YouTube channel. Kindly hit the notification bell for updated on our upcoming videos. Look forward to our part 2, the second F weld horizontal position, and hopefully you enjoyed it and learned something from our video. Thank you for watching.